In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate through Dream Efficiency 5303, lightning.force.com, commonly known as your Salesforce home, and use Google Tools to enhance your workflow. This tutorial will walk you through a step-by-step process that you'll find both easy to follow and incredibly helpful for managing your data export needs. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Dream Efficiency 5303, lightning.force, and hit enter. Once you're on the Salesforce homepage, take a moment to get comfortable with the layout. You should see various tabs and sections that are designed to help you manage your tasks more efficiently. The next step is to focus on the top right corner of your screen. Here you will find the gear icon, which represents your settings. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. Doing so will unlock a world of options. It's your gateway to customizing your Salesforce experience. Once you've opened the settings, look for the option that says Open Advanced Setup and click on it. The Advanced Setup option leads you to more in-depth customization and is particularly useful for accessing features that are not available in the basic settings menu. It's perfect for those who want to tap into the full potential of Salesforce. Next, use the search bar within the Setup page to find the Data Export feature. Simply type data export into the search field and press enter. This is a powerful feature that allows you to back up your data, a crucial step for any business operation reliant on data accuracy and integrity. After the search, you should see Data Export appear in the menu. Click on it to proceed. The Data Export landing page will show you all the data you have stored in Salesforce that can be exported. It's neatly organized so you can easily select what you need. Now, to finalize your data management task, look for the Download option. Once you find it, click on Download. This action will save a copy of your data to your local system. Make sure you have enough space on your device for the download and consider setting up a folder specifically for Salesforce exports to keep everything organized. Remember, regularly exporting your data is a good practice for maintaining up-to-date backups, which is critical for data recovery and security. And there you have it. By following these steps, you ensure that your Salesforce management is streamlined and your data is always secured. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a reminder on how to efficiently manage your Salesforce data exports.